Okay, so here's my 1986 Hoover Dustette. I got this off eBay a couple of weeks ago now. It was about £25, I think. It hasn't been used an awful lot, to be honest, and the condition shows that, but it did come with its original box and the manual, which is good. I'm a sucker for vacuum documentation. I mean, I've just spent £13 on a Hoover Elite 2 manual to go with my Elite 2, so that's how much I love having the documents. It's nice to just have them go with the machines. But anyway, here's the manual from Hoover Who Better. You see the model's S1122 Hoover Dustette Cleaner. So this is the redesigned Dustette. Well, I say redesign, it's not radically different really, but it's the same basic design, it's just more updated styling for the time period. So here's the box, a bit battered. Oh, you can still see the pictures, very 80s. Does show a white cord on the picture, but it's actually black, unfortunately. But there you go. Using it for the car there as well. I don't really think the suction's powerful enough on this to use it in a car. But maybe the materials used for car carpets back then was different, I don't know. So anyway, here it is. It's in a... I believe this is the original redesigned Dustette, because they did another version in the 90s. Forgot what the colour scheme was. But I believe this is the original redesigned one from the 80s. Made in Hong Kong. So yeah, 603 there on the serial number means it was made in March 1986. 150 watts, 240 volts. Some nice Dustette lettering on the side there with the Hoover logo, and Hoover in bold letters on the front. On-off switch on the side there. This little button you press to release the bag, and it just pops off. Inside this outer cloth type bag is the paper bag, which, as you can see, is like a Hoover Junior affair. It's got a little rubber band that holds it on. So yes, for S1122, shows you how to fit it. You can reuse these if you want to, not that I probably would, but that's where the dirt goes in. It's quite a small opening. And of course that's where the dirt comes through. It comes up the handle and out into the bag there. There's a little seal around that. Of course it's a dirty fan system, so the fan is situated here with the motor in the bottom there. So when you suck things up, it passes past the fan up through the handle and blows into the bag. Just pop this bag back on if I can get it back on with one hand. It's never easy trying to do something while trying to video it at the same time. That's it. There we are. It clicks in. So that's about it really. It comes just with a standard upholstery tool. It didn't come with any other, or it never came with any other tools. That just twists off one way or the other. It's like the twist and lock type tools. As you can see, it has the pip fitting. But you could get an attachment set to go with this, which just fits in. Which would be nice to have, but they wouldn't really be that effective, to be honest. Probably just see the fan down there? Oh yes. It's a plastic fan. There's 7 blades on it, just like there is on a turbo power fan, but of course it's much smaller than a Hoover turbo power fan. So you just line the notch up with that pip, push it in, and twist till it locks in place. Like that. Got a nice length of cord with a non-moulded plug, of course. Back then they didn't do moulded plugs, back in the 80s. Tell there's no earth wire. That prong is loose. It is only a flat cord. It's a thin flat cord on these. Of course it's not very powerful, so it doesn't need a thick cord really. So plug it in here. Shift this out the way. So it's a little bit noisy and vibrates a little bit for some reason. I did clean the fan and motor out on it, but still seems to vibrate, so it might just be the way it is. Anyway, let's have a little listen to it. So there you are. Now I've got a little box of Cheerios here. Isn't that cute? So, oh, these are the honey ones, I think, not just the regular one. Yes, they are. They're the honey Cheerios. So these are actually the nicer ones. Anyway, we're not doing the video about Cheerios. It's about the Dustette. I'll put a few down here. I think I'll eat the rest of them later. Because I'm one for eating cereal dry like that. I do like it with milk on, but some cereal I just like picking and eating. Anyway, here we go. So there we have it. It's a lovely little machine. I can just smell honey coated cereal now. Well, it doesn't smell bad, but there you go. Probably have to empty that. But anyway, there you have it. Just a quickish little video on my 1986 Hoover Dustette. I'll probably never use this, but it's nice to have, isn't it? So, there we have it. Thank you for watching.